Hello everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this video we are talking about business cycle, you can say economic cycle or trade cycle, and we discuss its phases or stages as well. So let's get into this video. So what is business cycle? I have a brief definition for you that a business cycle refers to alternative increase and decrease in economic activity. Like, it is all about the fluctuations, you can say, in an economic activity. Like, business cycle describes the rise and fall in production output of goods and services in an economy. If we talk about business cycles, they are generally measured using the rise and fall in the real GDP, gross domestic product, as you see in the left of your graph. So there are four stages of business cycle in which an economy started to rise and fall, you can say. So first we talk about the growth stage, then we are moving towards the peak, and then we are further moving towards the recession, and it's at the end we are talking about trough, or you can say depression. So first of all we are looking at the growth. So these are the four stages. I made this to explain you guys easily. So if we talk about these main steps like growth, peak, recession and trough, so first of all we are looking at growth stage, in which you can see the economic activity is increasing, and if we talk about output and income, the output and income is also increasing, and the unemployment is at lowest, means that unemployment is started to decreasing, and there is employment started to grow in an economy. Then we are talking about inflationary levels. Inflationary levels are started to grow because there is a growth stage, not at its peak, but you can say that inflation levels started to grow. The second is at peak. If you talk about the peak stage, there is optimal, you can say optimal economic activities like favorable economic activities. Then we talk about output and income is also at it near full capacity. Then unemployment is also at its lowest, means there is an employment. Then inflationary levels is high, there is an inflation in a peak phase. Then we are moving towards the recession. In recessionary phase, you can say that there is a decrease in economic activity, and output and income are also decreasing, and unemployment is high. And unemployment is high, and we talk about the inflation started to slow down. Then we are talking about the trough stage, in which there is a minimum, you can say minimum economic output, and the output and income is also lowest. Unemployment are high, and very few, or you can say very low or no inflation. Not, you can say that low, but very low or no inflation. So these are the four stages that we discuss in our business cycle. Hope you find this explanation easy. If you like it, if you understand it easily, please subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper, and join our Knowledge Topper group, and like our Knowledge Topper page on Facebook, so you will find more stuff and more good stuff like that. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye bye.